shot at.
You just get hit.
I did it.
Oh, that's such mud.
Cameron, check your comms. It might be falling out of your pouch.
Much mud, very wow.
Or you're if you're laying down, it's okay. That can wait a second, I guess.
Gotcha.
Your sock.
What?
Great. Hit.
Hey, clear, clear. Clear. Clear.
We didn't push fast enough.
Yeah.
We let him walk on us.
You gotta.
I drive a Dodge.
There we go.
All right.
I bet it'll start.
Yeah, don't get shot.
It'd be a lot better if I was left-handed here. Far left. Oh. Dang.
I couldn't.
Are they getting closer over there? Hit! I think we just have to just keep shooting, you know?
Well, that'd be a lot more. That'd be a lot easier with full auto.
I think we should just keep like shooting in their direction so they can't look at us instead of just.
That's not how we normally play, though, right?
If only we had like a really big gun that shoots a lot of bullets.
We could totally go full auto here. I don't know why they're like.
Together and stay together.
Just keep shooting. Just keep shooting at them.
Go!
Hit! Headshot.
Well, my comm immediately discharged.
Just
We're not doing great so far.
do
It
that.
doesn't loop.
However, I feel like I have
Yeah,
a
it
much
does look.
stronger shot
No,
this
mine
time.
is too big.
My gun,
They're the same.
my mag
They're
just
not,
does
I promise.
have-
I'm ready to start pulling things out. Oh shit, that's where I've been keeping.
Like, what are you doing?
I forgot that I used to keep them in these and then I moved it to this.
Silly. Okay, it's just Carter. Carter's gonna solo them. They traded. Oh, of course, immediate reload. Okay, I see now. I see now. He's way back there. Roger. Oh. I hate high caps. Have I ever said that?
I feel like you mentioned it
Have I ever mentioned that?
a little bit.
How much I hate high caps? Watch out, watch out. Suburban. Tailgate of Suburban. You spotted? Yep. Man, they got a bunch of grenades today, don't they? Is that all you had? Is that all you had? I'm just saying. Okay, screw it. I'm reloading a high cap, mid cap. Oh, do your job, do your job, do your job, do your job. I got one. Got two. No, I got two out. I got two out. They're still at the left.
Back left hopper. Back left hopper.
Where is that? I'm about to push, okay?
Okay.
Wait, hold on, hold on. That blue car?
Yeah, blue car right in front of me. That has been well established.
All right, keep him down. Keep him
That's what
down.
I've been doing.
Hit! Soren.
I can go get that from you?
Nicely, take it nice.